Alright guys, we are late to this platform, but it's a start. I need to start someday, right? With that being said, let's dive deep into today's topic. That's open source LLM versus proprietary LLM. Or I can say, do you want control or do you want peace? First, let's deep dive into the basics. So what is LLM? LLM stands for large language model. What it basically does, it reads half of the internet and it gives you a confident answer. You already were using some of this ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and many more, right? So what do? They write emails, code, and poems, and occasionally make you question your own job. That it is. Let's say on a Sunday evening, you are on your laptop, open any Chrome browser, and search the most difficult question on the internet. This search, which hit the servers where the LLM is hosted, it will think for 3 seconds and give you a confidence answer, right? Let, let's talk about open source LLM. Now, what it means, right? You get the entire code, you get the model, you get the full control, and you get the damn full responsibility. Now, some of the popular open source elements are Llama, Minstrel, Falcon, and Blue, and many more. So basically, open source is like, yeah, I'll do it by myself. So how does it work? You have Excel, text file, password, whatsoever stored in a storage. For processing, it will go to the servers where the LLM model is present in your data center. And depending on your question, it will give you the output, right? Everything which you can see is within your environment or in your premises. It's nowhere in the internet. No data leaving the on premises. Now, who love open sources? Now, people who love full control of it. There's strong privacy, no vendor lock-in. Security teams can finally damn sleep at the night peacefully. You own it, you control it, and damn you break it. There might be people who don't like open sources. Let's be honest. Open source means you need own GPU, you need your own infra, your ML skills, and you need DevOps skills. And you also need the emotional strength to troubleshoot at night. Open source LLMs are basically like free models, but you get free pain as well. Let's go into proprietary. They are built by very big companies. So you don't see the internals, you don't touch the model. You just say, hey, here's my credit card. Please try to be smart and give me some useful answer. Here, some of our examples are ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, many more. Proprietary LLMs are just like swipe and pay with it. That's it. So how does it work? You have your data stored in the cloud or on premises, password, Excel, everything. This goes to the big company's cloud, or we can say the internet. Some magic happens, abracadabra, and you have the answer. There you go. Why people love proprietary? Best performance. Like you don't need to stress about the infrastructure. It's simple API access, right? It constantly gives upgrade. It's like just ordering food and paying for it. That's it. It's expensive, yes, but also damn worth it, yes. Now, what's the price for this convenience? Monthly bills get piled up slowly, which might scare you. Very less customization. Yes, it's just the API front end. Vendor lock-ins, the worst part. And the privacy depends only on the agreement which you see on the front page of the screen. That's it. Alright, now let's compare both of them side by side. Right. First is control. Now, open source, you have a fiery control. Like you can control A to Z every aspects of open source. Whereas for proprietary, it's just the APIs that the output is only in the form of APIs. Now, setup, it's a pain in the for open source because you need to have all the skills for that. Whereas for proprietary, as easy as just connect with the API and you get the output. Whereas cost, open source, whatever infrastructure you deploy, that's the cost you bear. Whereas for proprietary, the API cost or the token cost, that's average. Privacy is damn strong because everything remains within your infrastructure. Proprietary, yeah, you upload every password or which you have on the internet, right? Debugging. It's you and you only. No one will come. Whereas proprietary, it's not your responsibility. Right? With that being said, this is the first video. There will be lots of errors. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.